Whether you're preparing lesson plans, sharing handouts, or grading digital assignments, PDFs are one of the most reliable tools for teachers. But many educators don't realize how much PDFs can speed up their workflow. So in today's video, we're sharing the best PDF tips for teachers in 2025 to help you save time, stay organized, and teach more effectively. Let's begin with one of the most helpful features, creating fillable PDFs. Instead of printing worksheets or asking students to edit Word files, you can turn your documents into fillable forms. Students can type their answers directly, making it easier for them to submit work, and easier for you to check, especially if you're teaching online or handling hybrid classes. Fillable PDFs also prevent formatting issues, which is great when students use different devices. Next, take advantage of PDF annotation tools. You can highlight key points, circle important areas, or leave comments right on your teaching materials. This is useful for preparing lessons, guiding discussions, or providing feedback on student work. Annotation features help you stay interactive, even in digital classrooms. Another great tip is organizing PDFs by class and week. Create folders for each subject you teach: math, English, science, or whichever classes you handle. Inside each folder, organize by week or topic. For example, Week 1, Introduction, Week 2, Activities, Week 3, Assessments. This makes lesson planning faster and helps you quickly find materials during busy teaching days. Teachers can also make use of merging and splitting PDFs. Merge PDFs when you're combining multiple worksheets or readings into one packet. Split PDFs when you want to extract a specific chapter, assessment, or answer key. This feature is especially useful when preparing differentiated materials for students with varying needs. Don't forget about converting PDFs to Word or PowerPoint. If you have old PDFs from previous years, converting them lets you update your content without starting from scratch. This is a huge time saver for teachers who prepare yearly lesson plans or want to revise their worksheets and slides. Another powerful feature for teachers is watermarking. Adding a watermark like teacher's copy, draft, or your school's logo helps protect your materials from being redistributed without permission. It also keeps your files looking professional and clearly organized. Teachers should also learn to compress PDFs, especially when uploading materials to LMS platforms like Google Classroom, Canvas, or Schoology. Compressing large files ensures that students with limited internet connection can download your materials easily. And here's a bonus tip. Use digital signatures for approvals. Whether you're signing forms, student clearance papers, or departmental documents, having a digital signature saves time and avoids printing. Many PDF tools today allow you to securely sign documents with just a few clicks. Finally, always back up your teaching materials. Store them in Google Drive, OneDrive, or an external hard drive. This protects you from losing important files and makes it easy to reuse your materials next school year. And that wraps up our PDF tips for teachers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more classroom tips, tech guides, and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching.